Okay, next one up, old school Honda CBR. This one's been stored for some time. They've just done a full service on it around back. New tires, chains, sprockets, oil, filter, the whole works. So now it's time to do our bit, see if we can get it looking a bit better. She's pretty manky, to be honest. We're going to do one of our full works packages on this, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on this bodywork, touch up a few rusty nuts and bolts, get those wheels sorted. Got the fairing off at the moment so we can get access to this engine. As you can see, it's all milky white. We'll get all that cleaned off, get some XCP sprayed on it, get it looking as best we can, polish up a few bits and pieces, get it ready for the showroom. This is up for sale. Anybody looking for an old school CBR? Once we've done our bit to it, it will be in RNC showroom. So let's get cracking. There you go, 4+ hours on this Honda Fireblade, trying to get her to look halfway decent. This has been sitting for some time, so the bodywork's got lots of scratches and scuffs, but she's come up pretty good. I put a bit of paint on those wheels, inside of the disc, just done a 2-3 stage machine polish on all this bodywork, trying to get some gloss back to it. It has just been fully serviced, new tires, all the brakes have been done, new battery. If you're looking for a Fireblade, give Kyle a ring at RNC Motorcycles next door. This will be going up for sale. Nice little winter project. Runs sweet as a nut, just cosmetically needs a little tidying up. Some of the lower panels have got some marks on them, which obviously I can't polish out, but the rest of it's come up pretty damn good.